So hi guys, a long time no see, but we are back with something bigger and better. So guys, we have an unboxing. I want to do an unboxing with you guys, okay? So be sure to watch to the very end. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to share the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, okay? Engage with the video and be sure to enjoy. So today I have an unboxing of something that I got recently, and go. So guys, here is our ring light. Ooh. So I want us to unbox this together, okay? So someone on the comments has ever asked me what kind of lighting I use because my videos were a bit shaky, but guess what? Not anymore, and we are back bigger and better. So let's do this unboxing together, okay? So this is a 14-inch ring light. Ooh. Let's see what's inside. And voila. Okay. So we have this, of course, the star of the show, this. Then we have a remote for the ring light. The cable to connect this, quite a good one. Then we have this one, and then we have an adapter. So this adapter came with the ring light, okay? An adapter. And then another star of the show is it's this stand. This is the stand. So okay, do you see that, guys? So let's start putting it together with you guys, okay? Let's learn together, okay? So I bet oh my god, I should fix this here, but I'm going to use this. So let's do it together. Let's do it together, guys. What's happening? Oh. So to prevent this part from moving, you're going to connect to this. So oh my god. Oh Jesus. Okay. Here. Good. We are good to go. So we're going to close it at this point. Oops. So we tighten this. It's coming along. Sit down. So let's try making it be able to stand. There. So okay, and then we're going to connect this from behind here. There. Then we're going to use our adapter. We're going to use our adapter and put it right here and connect our there and we'll switch it on. Yay! So I'm going to light this. And so this one, it comes with different modes. We have that white mode, we have that orange mode, and this one. Okay, and then we can reduce the brightness of this using this here. I've reduced it, and we can also add, we reduce here and this here. So at the back here, you can be able to touch from behind, and you can also use the remote, but we're not going to use this at the moment because we don't have batteries for this. But once I buy batteries for this, we can be able to use the ring light. So guys, I'm very happy to have this with me. So be sure to have improved content, you know, and this is where you plug your phone here. You plug your phone here, and this is very adjustable. You see, it can move to any direction. It's very adjustable. So I'm very happy to have this with me. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. I'm very happy. I'm a happy girl. Okay, I'm a happy girl. So be sure to see this everywhere with me. Be sure I'll have this all day long. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Sorry guys, I was away for some time, but we are back bigger and better. Okay, so thank you guys. See you on the next one.